Namaste, bonjour. Have you heard about this? The milestone man turns 31. Virat Kohli is 31 years old, but his hunger for success is not going to stop. During a career of more than a decade, the Indian captain of the cricket team delivered an incredible performance. Already acclaimed as one of the greatest batsmen of all time, the right-handed batsman commands a very large number of fans. As expected, the birthday greetings to the captain flooded the social media sites. He also became the first batsman to score 20,000 international runs in a decade. Kohli is now the most successful ODI Indian captain with a 75.89% success rate. Happy birthday, Virat Kohli! Bon anniversaire! Are you thinking that I have become a newsreader? No, but you too. Do not even think that. Hey, I am here purely to teach you French and help you learn this language in a fun way. The news that you heard a while ago can help you learn French. Before we continue, smash that like button. Do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to my channel. And press that small bell button right beside the subscribe button to remain up to date with my upcoming videos. Go on and watch till the end of this video. This news is going to be fun. And this will help you to find out some interesting words and expressions. Now, I will read the same piece of news slowly in French for you. And you will listen carefully the pronunciations in French. Virat Kohli a 31 ans. Mais sa fin de la réussite ne va pas s'arrêter. Il est également devenu le premier batteur à marquer 20 000 points internationaux en une décennie. Kohli est maintenant le capitaine indien d'ODI le plus réussi avec un taux de réussite de 75,89%. 1. Au cours de, in the course of, for example, au cours d'une année, in the course of a year. Number 2. Décennie, decade, 10 years. Extraordinaire, a beautiful adjective which could be translated as extraordinary or incredible. Déjà, already, comme prévu, as expected. Inonder, to flood. First group verb. Réseaux sociaux, social medias or social media sites, social media platforms. Réseaux sociaux. Également. Également means also or equally. Number 9. Maintenant. Now. Maintenant. And finally, taux de réussite. Rate of success. Taux de. Rate of. I hope that you will use these expressions and words and phrases in your own sentences. If you have not yet seen my video on basic present tense, you should watch this video right there and start to make French sentences if you are a beginner. Please share your comments about this down in this comment section. And now to end with, listen to this news once again. But this time, I will not read slowly. Listen to the pronunciations and look at the transcription on the screen. Virat Kohli a 31 ans, mais sa fin de la réussite ne va pas s'arrêter. Au cours d'une carrière de plus d'une décennie, le capitaine indien de l'équipe de cricket a délivré une performance extraordinaire. Déjà salué comme l'un des plus grands batteurs de tous les temps, le batteur droitier commande à un très grand nombre de fans. Comme prévu, les feux d'anniversaire au capitaine ont inondé les sites des réseaux sociaux. Il est également devenu le premier batteur à marquer 20 000 points internationaux en une décennie. Kohli est maintenant le capitaine indien d'ODI le plus réussi avec un taux de réussite de 75,89%. Voilà. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have liked my video, press the thumbs up and share my video with your friends who are enthusiastic about French language. See you in my next video. À bientôt!